Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to dive into the next set of words in this series. Let's get started. Word, surfeit. Spelling, S-U-R-F-E-I-T. Meaning, an excessive amount of something. Synonyms, excess, surplus, overabundance. Antonyms, shortage, scarcity, deficiency. Usage. The surfeit of food at the buffet was overwhelming. After a surfeit of sweets, she felt sick. Word, surreptitious. Spelling, S-U-R-R-E-P-T-I-T-I-O-U-S. Meaning, done secretly, without anyone seeing or knowing. Synonyms, clandestine, covert, secret. Antonyms, open, overt, public. Usage. She made surreptitious glances at her phone during the meeting. The company was accused of surreptitious data collection. Word, surrogate. Spelling, S-U-R-O-G-A-T-E. Meaning, a person or thing that takes the place of another. Synonyms, substitute, replacement, proxy. Antonyms, original, genuine, authentic. Usage. The surrogate mother carried the baby to term. He acted as a surrogate for his absent brother. Word, tacit. Spelling, T-A-C-I-T. Meaning, understood without being expressed directly. Synonyms, implied, understood, implicit. Antonyms, expressed, explicit, spoken. Usage. The decision to settle out of court was seen as a tacit admission of guilt. She gave her tacit approval with a nod. Word, taciturn. Spelling, T-A-C-I-T-U-R-N. Meaning, habitually silent, reserved, or uncommunicative. Synonyms, silent, reserved, reticent. Antonyms, talkative, communicative, outgoing. Usage. He was a taciturn person who rarely spoke. The taciturn stranger kept to himself. Word, tantamount. Spelling, T-A-N-T-A-M-O-U-N-T. Meaning, equivalent in effect, value, or significance to something. Synonyms, equivalent, comparable, alike. Antonyms, different, unequal, incomparable. Usage. The company's refusal to address safety violations was tantamount to negligence in the eyes of the law. Ignoring her text after an argument felt tantamount to admitting defeat. Word, tedious. Spelling, T-E-D-I-O-U-S. Meaning, so lacking in interest as to cause mental weariness. Synonyms, irksome, uninteresting, boring. Antonyms, engaging, interesting, exciting. Usage. You'll have the name for years and always having to explain it quickly becomes tedious. It is absurd to divide people into good and bad. People are either charming or tedious. Word, temerity. Spelling, T-E-M-E-R-I-T-Y. Meaning, rashness or foolish boldness that results from underrating the dangers or failing to evaluate the consequences. Synonyms, audacity, nerve, cheek. Antonyms, caution, prudence, discretion. Usage. He had the temerity to criticize his employer. Difficult patients have the temerity to challenge their doctor's decisions. Word, tenable. Spelling, T-E-N-A-B-L-E. Meaning, able to be upheld, believed, maintained, or defended. Synonyms, workable, viable, maintainable. Antonyms, untenable, indefensible, unjustifiable. Usage. This argument is simply not tenable. The new policy is tenable and can be successfully defended against criticism. Word, terrestrial. Spelling, T-E-R-R-E-S-T-R-I-A-L. Meaning, relating to the earth or land. Synonyms, earthly, land-based, ground-based. Antonyms, celestial, aquatic, aerial. Usage. Terrestrial animals are those that live on land. The terrestrial environment is crucial for human survival. Word, timorous. Spelling, T-I-M-O-R-O-U-S. Meaning, full of fear, fearful, showing or suffering from nervousness, fear, or a lack of confidence. Synonyms, timid, fearful, shy. Antonyms, bold, confident, assertive. Usage. He is a reclusive, timorous creature. The noise made them timorous. Word, tirade. Spelling, T-I-R-A-D-E. Meaning, a long, vehement speech, especially one of denunciation, harangue. Synonyms, broadside, philippic, screed. Antonyms. Usage. The politician's tirade against the opposing party was met with applause. Her tirade about the poor service at the restaurant was loud and clear. Word, tome. Spelling, tome. Meaning, an especially heavy, large, or learned book. Synonyms, volume, book, treatise. Antonyms. Usage. The professor spent years writing a comprehensive tome on ancient history. The library shelves were filled with dusty tomes that hadn't been opened in years. Word, torpid. Spelling, torpid. Meaning, unmoving, motionless, stock still, dormant or hibernating, lazy, lethargic or apathetic. Synonyms, motionless, stock still, dormant. Antonyms, active, energetic, lively. Usage. The bear was torpid during the winter months, hibernating in its den. After a long illness, she felt torpid and lacked the energy to do anything. Word, torrid. Spelling, torrid. Meaning, extremely hot and dry, passionate and intense. Synonyms, scorching, sweltering, sultry. Antonyms, cool, mild, calm. Usage. The torrid desert climate made it difficult to travel during the day. Their torrid love affair was the subject of much gossip. Word, tortuous. Spelling, tortuous. Meaning, full of twists and turns, complicated and difficult to follow. Synonyms, twisted, winding, convoluted. Antonyms, straight, direct, simple. Usage. The tortuous path through the forest was challenging to navigate. The plot of the novel was tortuous and hard to follow. Word, tractable. Spelling, tractable. Meaning, easily managed or controlled, docile, yielding. Synonyms, manageable, willing, governable. Antonyms, stubborn, uncooperative. Usage. The tractable child listened to her parents without arguing. The tractable disposition of the new employee made him easy to work with. Word, transgress. Spelling, transgress. Meaning, to go beyond or overstep a limit or boundary, to sin or violate a law. Synonyms, violate, infringe, overstep. Antonyms, obey, comply, conform. Usage. She transgressed the rules by staying out past curfew. The company transgressed environmental regulations and faced penalties. Word, transmute. Spelling, transmute. Meaning, to change the form, character, or substance of something. Synonyms, transform, convert, alter. Antonyms, retain, preserve, maintain. Usage. The alchemist attempted to transmute lead into gold. Her anger transmuted into a deep sadness. Word, travesty. Spelling, travesty. Meaning, a false, absurd, or distorted representation of something. Synonyms, caricature, parody, mockery. Antonyms, accurate representation, faithful portrayal. Usage. The movie was a travesty of the original novel. The politician's speech was a travesty of the truth. Word, tremulous. Spelling, tremulous. Meaning, characterized by or affected with trembling or quivering, quivering with fear or weakness. Synonyms, quivering, shaking, trembling. Antonyms, steady, firm, stable. Usage. Her tremulous voice betrayed her nervousness. The tremulous leaves of the tree indicated an impending storm. Word, trenchant. Spelling, trenchant. Meaning, having a sharp cutting edge, incisive and direct in expression or effect. Synonyms, incisive, sharp, cutting. Antonyms, dull, blunt, vague. Usage. Her trenchant remarks cut through the confusion. The trenchant analysis revealed the underlying issues. Word, trepidation. Spelling, trepidation. Meaning, a feeling of fear or apprehension about something that may happen. Synonyms, apprehension, anxiety, fear. Antonyms, confidence, calmness, assurance. Usage. He approached the haunted house with trepidation. The news filled her with trepidation about the future. Word, trite. Spelling, trite. Meaning, lacking originality or freshness, overused and commonplace. Synonyms: hackneyed, cliched, overused. Antonyms: original, fresh, unique. Usage: the trite phrase has lost its impact. The movie's trite plot was predictable and boring. Word: truculent. Spelling: truculent. Meaning: having or showing a fierce and aggressive attitude, disposed to fight. Synonyms: aggressive, belligerent, fierce. Antonyms: peaceful, calm, gentle. Usage: the truculent tone of the speech sparked controversy. The truculent behavior of the bully intimidated the other kids. So, what did you think of this video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel, Kavi's Brain Boosters, to monitor your daily progress and get the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.